If you're trying to get into the Creator Connections program, or you just recently got accepted, but you're not really sure what it is or how to start, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to explain how exactly this program works and what it takes to get in, but also how you can utilize it to potentially 10x your Amazon influencer earnings. And if you have any other questions about the Creator Connections program, drop a comment and I'll answer. Also, if you like these kinds of videos and they're helpful for you, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button so that the algorithm will tell me to keep making content like this. In less than 100 words, the Creator Connections program is a unique part within the Amazon Influencer program, which is designed to connect influencers and brands basically seeking product reviews and promotional content. So this program essentially bridges the gap between content creators and e-commerce brands whose products are selling on Amazon and that you're reviewing. So for influencers, it's basically a gateway to earn better commission percentages on products that you already have review videos for, or maybe you don't quite yet. But you can accept product campaigns from brands, receive products directly from brands also, and produce engaging, high quality content. Now, in exchange, you, the creator, are going to expand your reach and earn a lot more trust in building up your audience. And then for brands, this program provides a way for their products to be showcased by real life use cases presented by us, the creators. And these video reviews will only be displayed for on-site commissions on Amazon directly on the product pages, which will significantly boost your conversions. But real talk, this program is a way to get access to campaigns or product reviews that can turn a 5% commission outside of the program into getting a 20 or even 30 or sometimes 50% commission on these products, okay? That is far better than like selling products online, okay? Especially since you don't have to buy the inventory. Like, crazy opportunity in my opinion. Now, this can be for products, like I said, that you've already reviewed, which makes it so easy, but I'll get to that part later. Overall, this is the kind of boost that can turn this like side hustle into something legitimately more full-time, okay? So why exactly does Amazon want to do this? Well, one of the biggest reasons I personally think that they're pushing this so hard is to compete with TikTok Shop. But every platform does this, okay? Do not worry. Every platform does this when they're trying to give exposure, trying to grow. And then, once they are dominating, then they'll increase the percentages. Amazon did, like every platform does it. So it's nothing to worry about. And so Creator Connections is Amazon's way of saying, hey, you're doing great work. We want to keep you around. They're rewarding top performers, giving them even more incentive to keep promoting products on the platform. But it's a win-win, okay? You make more money. Amazon gets more promotion for the products, more traffic on their platform. Real quick, if you're wanting to get started in the influencer program and to scale your earnings each month, I've put together a free success guide with the best practices I've used that will help you get approved, grow your earnings, and scale faster. If you would like this guide, click the link in the description below for free access. Okay, so you may be thinking, how exactly do I get in? Okay. The first thing that you should know is that Creator Connections is invite only, but don't let that discourage you because there's a lot of ways to increase your chances of getting that coveted invitation. At the bare minimum, you need to generate at least 100 clicks and earn $1 through your regular influencer links. That's basically Amazon's way of proofing your account to make sure that you're a human, that it's not a spam account. Okay, that's a pretty low bar. That's the first step. And if you keep posting content, you will eventually get an invite via email to join. But if you don't want to wait for that, don't let that stop you. What you should do is open up a chat, like a support ticket with an Amazon Associates rep, and just ask about Creator Connections and ask how you can be invited. Be persistent, keep asking, follow up. I started the influencer program at the end of August, and now at the end of September, I just got the platinum star level just about a couple weeks ago. And I personally never opened up a support ticket or done any of that follow up. I just keep uploading product reviews. Around the time it's like a 600K. And I'm not saying to glow or to show off. You probably could care less. But what I am trying to say is, instead of worrying about like when the invitation is going to come, I need to follow up. They're not noticing me. Like, they notice you. They have metrics. They have systems set up. So if you could just stay focused on reviewing more products, the invite will come a lot more sooner than just kind of waiting. That's my personal opinion. Okay. But you will get accepted if you just keep posting product review videos. Now that you're accepted into the program, let's dive into a little bit more on what you're going to see within the Creator Connections website. Now, to get to the actual Creator Connections page from your storefront, you can always Google it, but what I like to do is just come to my storefront and I'm going to click see reporting. Once you get to your reporting page, most likely your store here on the top right is going to be set to your on-site commissions or like your influencer account. Switch that to your associates account. And then once you get here, you can hover over this top bar and click Creator Connections. Also, Amazon actually has a pretty sweet Creator Connections guide for free that is a really good PDF and has a lot of information. I'm going to put the link to this guide in my video description if you'd like to access it, because I think it's pretty helpful. Now, once you come into Creator Connections, you're going to see a few things. You're going to see some reporting here at the very top, and then you're going to see new opportunities accepted or ended. So new opportunities are brands that are currently running promotions for their products. And you could filter through all brands and all opportunities a few different ways. One, you can search for certain brands or keywords or ASINs, or you could sort by the recommended products that Amazon is recommending to you, or new releases, commission rate, anything. I recommend putting it by sort by recommended, because Amazon does a pretty good job of having the algorithm put together products that you're most likely going to review, that you already have reviewed, that you've looked at on Amazon. And that's 100% the case for all of these. So let's say I want to review this neck pillow, which I actually have right here. Okay, I still have this neck pillow. Once I come in here, these are the campaign details. So this campaign started on November 11th, ends in a month. The commission rate is up from a normal like 2% to 11%. The campaign budget is how much the brand is willing to use. And it says that the budget remaining is $3,100. So only about $2,000 has been used of this budget. So there's still time, in my opinion. And here's some of the explanations of the actual campaign itself. But one thing that's important to note is when you see the products, you'll see that all of the products that they're offering this campaign for is not just the one neck pillow on the opportunities page. Okay. So don't be misled by that. Sometimes they'll just put out one picture of a product. When you come in here, there's a lot of different variations or colors that I can actually do. Now, let's say that I want to accept this campaign and I have a video review to submit, or I don't have one quite yet, but regardless, I want to accept it. Okay, I'm going to hit accept. Once I've accepted the campaign, I can go over to accepted and see all the campaigns that are either still in promotion or that I have accepted. Now, let's look at this phone ring, for example. The next thing I need to do is submit the actual product review video. And how I do that is by scrolling down to the very bottom, and I'm going to go over content type, because I want to submit the link to my video and I need to show where exactly it's being held right now. Either like a blog post, Instagram post, all of these different things. But I'm going to repurpose the videos that I've already used from my influencer storefront. So I'm going to go to video, and then I'm going to go back to my storefront. Right here, I'll just search phone ring, and it's right here, okay, with a glorious thumbnail. So I'm going to click copy link, come back in here, paste, and then I can submit. But before you start copying and pasting links all over the place, there's an important step you can't forget, because you want to make sure to stay on the right side of Amazon's compliance and terms. So what you'll want to do to make sure that you don't get in trouble is update your video title with the hashtag ad, and then you'll be safe. It's a small change that can keep everything above board and your account in good standing, because you do not want to get in trouble with Amazon and have your account shut down. Now, what if you see a great campaign, but you don't have the product? You can either buy the product, or you can reach out and ask the brand for a sample, because Amazon doesn't offer free samples directly through campaign brands anymore. You can still reach out to brands through Creator Connections and send them a message, which is a lot easier than you think, because most brands are open to sending free samples to influencers because they want to work with you. Now, what I do is just use this script with every brand I reach out to. I'll copy and paste it in, because you just never really know what brands will or won't reach out to you. It takes me 10 seconds and it's always worth it, because you just never really know. So why not ask? And if you want to use this script, I'll leave the link to it down in the video description, but it just never really hurts to ask, okay? But once you post a video link inside Creator Connections, you'll start to earn extra commissions, and these commissions will get paid out on the same schedule as your regular influencer commissions. Another part of Creator Connections are the Creator Stars, which is Amazon's way of recognizing and rewarding top performers in the Creator Connections program. And there are 4 tiers: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. But trust me, you'll want to climb this ladder as fast as you can. Let's start with the bronze tier, and this is your entry point into Creator Connections. You can get access to basic campaigns, which is already a huge step up from regular Amazon influencer commissions. And we're talking about rates starting about 20%. That's double, sometimes triple with what you're making before. Next is silver, which is where you're going to see more campaign options pop up on your dashboard, and the commission rates, they will inch up a bit higher. It's like Amazon's way of saying, hey, you're putting in good work, here's a little extra motivation. The next is going to be the gold tier, which is where things start to really shine. And you're not just an influencer anymore, you're VIP essentially. You get access to premium campaigns, and it's not just about the money. Amazon will start to treat you like an actual partner, because you'll get priority support, which means less time waiting for answers and more time creating content. And here's the kicker: invitations to exclusive Amazon events. And then at the very top tier is the platinum tier. This is the creme de la creme, where you're going to be getting those 30, sometimes 50% commission rates, which is crazy. But even better than that, you get direct partnerships with brands. And you're not just promoting products anymore. You're going to be collaborating with people who make them, which is a whole new level of influence and opportunity. And here's the thing, climbing this creator star ladder, your earning potential and opportunities don't just increase, they skyrocket, okay? Each tier opens new doors, gives you more leverage, puts more money in your pocket. So how do you climb this ladder? It's all about performance and consistently choosing the right products, creating engaging content. But remember, in the world of creator connections, those stars next to your name are more than just decoration. They're your ticket to bigger campaigns, better rates, and a whole new world of opportunity. Now, to recap, here's what you need to do first. Check to see if you're eligible. Remember, you need at least 100 clicks and $1 in earnings to get started. And if you hit those numbers, don't wait around. Reach out to Amazon and start asking about the creator connections. But keep posting more product reviews during this time. And then once you're in, focus on climbing that creator star ladder. Each level is going to bring newer opportunities, higher earnings. But in my opinion, success in creator connections comes down to 85% consistency and 15% smart strategies. So keep at it, and you're going to see your influencer earnings keep on growing. If this video has been helpful for you, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.